If you've been seeing those year in 100 photo videos all over TikTok and you want to make one fast in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a year in 100 photo video trend in CapCut step by step, even if you've never made this style of edit before. We'll set the photo timing correctly, import all 100 images at once, add your trend audio, preview it in TikTok format, and export it in the best settings for posting. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your PC and create a new project. Before you do anything else, do not drag your photos into the timeline yet. This first step is the key to making the entire edit faster and cleaner. Go to the top left menu, click Settings, then open the Edit tab. Find the section called Image Duration. This is where you're going to set the default timing for each photo. Change the default duration to 0.1 seconds. If your audio is a little slower or longer, you can also use 0.2 seconds. But for most 100 photo trend edits, 0.1 seconds is the magic setting. Here's the simple math. If your sound is 10 seconds long and you want 100 photos to fit evenly, you divide 10 by 100, which gives you 0.1 seconds per photo. Once you've entered the duration, click Save. This one setting saves you from manually trimming every single photo later, and it makes the whole project much easier to manage. Now that your photo duration is ready, it's time to bulk import everything. Go to the Media tab, click Import, and open the folder where all your photos are saved. If all 100 photos are in the same folder, press Ctrl+A to select all of them, then click Open. Once they appear in the media bin, make sure they are still selected. Now drag all of them onto the video track at once. CapCut will automatically place them in the timeline as very short slivers, each one matching the default duration you just set. This is what makes the 100 photo trend so fast to build. Instead of dragging every image one by one, you've just placed the entire sequence in a single move. After that, import your trend audio. This could be a song like The Good Part, a 2024 recap sound, or any mashup that matches the style of your video. Drag the audio onto the track below your photos. Now play the timeline and check if the photos and music line up properly. If the photos finish before the audio ends, don't worry. You can select all the photos in the timeline and gently drag the edge of the group to stretch the sequence if needed. Or you can add a freeze frame on the last image so the video holds on the final photo until the sound ends. The goal is to make the visuals feel smooth and intentional, not rushed or awkward. Next, let's make sure your video is formatted correctly for TikTok. Under the player window, click the ratio button and choose 9:16. This gives you the vertical format that TikTok uses. Then look for the preview monitor icon near the ratio or full screen controls and turn on social media preview. Select TikTok from the preview options. This is a really useful step because it overlays the TikTok interface on top of your video, including the like button, caption area, and comment section. Scrub through your edit and check that none of the important faces, text, or key details are hidden behind the on-screen UI. This is especially important if your photos have text or if you want each image to be clearly visible on mobile. Once everything looks good, you're ready to export. Click Export and use the recommended settings for TikTok. Set the resolution to 1080p, the frame rate to 60 FPS, and keep the code rate on higher or recommended. These settings give you a clean, sharp export that looks great on mobile and helps your video keep that smooth trend style feel. After exporting, upload it to TikTok, add your caption, and you're done. And that's how you create a year in 100 photo video trend in CapCut quickly and correctly. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.